In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an A/B test in Adapty. So first of all, make sure you are on the official website of adapty.io and already logged in with your credentials. So in here, into your dashboard, so go to the paywalls, and then in the left menu, choose the paywall you want to test or create a new one. So unfortunately, paywalls is a paid features here and Adapty, so you'll need to avail it first in order to create a new A/B test in here. So assumingly we've availed the A/B test for paywalls, so go to the A/B test tab inside the selected paywall and then click the create test and then set a variation. So add your test variation, for example, different pricing, layout, then copy, and then you can test things like products, combos, UI elements, or trial lens, and then set what percentage of users see each variation. It could be 50-50 split. And then after that, click the start test to activate it. So the system will start distributing paywall variants automatically. And then now, you can now monitor results. So just go to the analytics tab to track performance, conversion rate, revenue, etc. So Adapty highlights the winner once there's enough data. And that's how to make an A/B test in Adapty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.